Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully complete our category portions, right? So that means our category component. So now in this video I want to create another one for our, if you go, that is for the collection. Okay, that will be just like our feature products. Into the feature product I have displayed the 3 and 6 products. So now for the collection I want to actually create another design that will be displayed as a 4 product. So then that will be enough. Right now categories we don't need this. And now if you go to our component, there is our home and there is our collection. Okay, so first of all our procedure will be same. I think you already know about it, what exactly you have to do. So that will be the RCE, right? RCE. I simply create one of the class based component. So that is our class based component and name it as a collection. So here also our procedure will be same. I want to load on the fragment. So that is a fragment. I load this fragment and then I load another container. So I load this container and then I want to take another row and then I want to take another column. Okay, so our procedure will be same. When you use that as a container from row, the column, so that everything will be comes from our which place, that will be comes from our React Bootstrap. If you go to that feature product, so that will be just like our feature product as I told you. First of all I want to import it. I copy it and then here I want to input our container, row, column and the card. Card will be also needed. So there is a from which will comes from the React Bootstrap, which is totally fine. And then there is a fragment. I have already loaded that fragment. Okay. To the container, as I told you, friend, first of all I want to load the text. So for the text, there is a container class as a text center. A fluid will be as a true. So better I want to copy the same things. Before this row, I copy it. And then now in our collection, into the collection there is a container, I paste it. Okay, so I simply paste it. So that will be as a, I make it as a product. Okay, so that will be as a product and then collection. So I make it as a collection, CTI1. Okay, collection. Okay, so that will be display product collection. So now we have to load it. I want to do first of all it should be display the feature product, then it should be display the collection. So if you want to do that work, so we have to set up it in our home page. Into the home page there is our feature product, and after that feature product I want to load out this collection. So that will be this collection, COLL. And here you can see there is a collection from the SRC component in the home collection. Now I simply load it and then I want to close it. After that feature product, now that should be display another component as a collection, and also it's imported that collection from our component, home and the collection. Right friend, I hope it's very much clear to you. So now that should be displayed. Now click as a save all. So in our collection I have already loaded that product collection and they have some of the text. So now if you go to our page, so after that feature that should be display, that is another component. Yes, you can see another component as a product collection is now visible in here. For the product collection I want to do, there is our row, right? And there is our column. So for this column we have to also make it as a responsive. So if you want to do that work, I want to use that Excel. For the Excel that will be as a display as a 4. 4 means I want to divide it by with the 12 columns, that means 3 and 6 and then 9 and then 12, right? So I make it as a 3 column, that means 3 product will be display. For the large I also want to make it as a 3 product will, but that means a 4 product will be display. I make it as a with the separated with the 3 column. And then the MD, okay, MD for the medium skin I make it as a 6. Okay, that will be as a 2 will be visible, and for the small it should be display as a 6. Okay, so I make it as a 6. For the medium better I want to make it as a 3, that means 4 will be visible. For the small I want to make it as a 6, and for the extra, and that means the extra small, okay, extra small, for the extra small it should be display as a also 2, that means a 6. That will be for our responsive mode, Excel 3, MD3 and XMS, that means the small size I make it as a 6 and extra small I make it as a 6, that means the 2 will be visible. 6 by 6 is equal to 12, right? Perfect. And also I want to make it as a very close, then that will be better. I want to make again another padding. There as a padding I want to make it as a 0, so that will be as a class name. I want to make it as a padding will be as a 0. So then that will actually look at it. If you want to use some of the padding, then it will be actually created some of the gap. You can see it's now created some of the gap, but in our category you can see they have no gap between two of these our card. So I also want to add the same things for our collection. So for the reasons here I make it as a padding will be as a 0. That means there should be no gap. And then that is our column. Okay, that is our column, but I want to make it a little bit left side. Okay, left side, and that is our column. So to the column area I want to load the same card. If you go to that feature product, that is on the card, but I copy this card. Okay, I copy this card, and now in our collection, so into this column, area I want to paste it. Okay, I paste it. So I have already loaded the card. If you go, you can see I have already loaded this card, so now it's totally fine. So now if you want to check it, click as a save all, and now I want to refresh it. You can see it's now perfectly visible, this card. Better here I want to use another image, like fashion related, men's bottom wear or top wear. Okay, I want to take some of the top wear product. Like here there are some of the product. I want to take this, I want to take this, and also I want to take this one and this one. Okay, so now for education purpose I'm actually using it. Later you will actually get all the data from the database. I copy that image address, so now that should be another image address. I paste it. Now click as a save all, and now refresh it again. Sorry, not this one. Refresh it. You can see it's perfect. So now that is zooming, which is totally fine. But I want to use some of the, that is the image card, right? So into the image card area I want to add one of the white for this image. And that means for this card I make it as a wide I make it as a 100. Okay, I make it as a 100. And also there is a center position, that image centers into this image area. I also want to add some of the wide. I use that wide as a 75. That is our card, right? So card is ended and column is ended. So I want to take this another column. Okay, so later we will actually only take one column, and then we will actually fetch all the data. So I will create some of the APIs, and with this APIs we'll get this data. So better I copy it. 1 2 3 4. Okay, I will take that 4, and then if you now click the save all, now refresh it. You can see there's 1 2 3 4. Perfect. So that is a product collection. For the product collection I want to use the different type of images, like one I want to take another one. I copy that image address, so that will be for the 1, and then that will be for the 2. I paste it, and then that will be for the 3 image address, and then that will be for the 3, and that will be for the 4. Okay, I copy image address, and that will be for the 4. I paste it. Now click as a save all, and now go to our project, refresh it. Perfect. Okay, you can see there is a 4 image, there is a 4 product is now successfully visible. Okay friends, so also if you want to change that name, you can change it, like that is actually on the name. Better I copy it. So first one, there is a first one, I want to update that, that is name. There is another one, I updated that name. Okay, I updated this name. So as I told you friend, design actually takes a lot of the time, so I don't want to expand that time with the design. So we'll actually created some of the very basic design. Okay, so now there is another one, I want to update this name, and also there is another one and update this name. Copy it, and then that will be actually this one. I paste it. Now click the save all, and now go to our page. Now refresh it. Perfect. So that is our feature product, that is our product collection, and that is our category. Okay, so it's now perfectly visible, all the things. And if you want to add that multiple one, you can also add it. All you have to do, you have to copy this column. I copy it. I also want to take another 4. There's a 1 2 3 4. Okay, now click as a save all. Now refresh it. Yeah, you can see there is another 4 is visible. So better I want to take another 4 image. for make it a little bit locative, like this one. I want to take, I have already take it, maybe I open it. So also want to take some of the another picture, like this one and also this one. Okay, I take it. So some of the images, sorry, I want to take first one image, so I copy that image address. So that is 234. I want to update this another image. I only updated that images, and then I want to take another one. I copy image address, and then that will be another one. I updated that images. Another one, I copy image address, and then that will be another one. I paste it, and then that will be another one. I copy image address, and then that will be another one. Okay, perfect. So now if you click as a save all, so now that should be a little bit locative. I click as a refresh. Perfect. So now there is a 4, another 4. Okay friends, so now it's perfectly visible all that our images, our categories, our collection. So you can also display your specific categorize all that product. Literally will also do that work, and that is our feature product. Okay friend, which is totally great. Okay, so we successfully complete our product collection component. So in our next video, I want to actually add another one, like as our new Laravel. Okay, to the new Laravel, I want to use some of the carousel. So how can working with this carousel? In our next video, I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.